mood. It's hard to keep up with Twitter because it's like, am I doing too much or am I not doing enough? I never know. I should Twitter from here. Somehow my phone. Can you get my phone? Yeah, it's on here, so I'm putting on the face. I know we have another one right down there. It'd be cool.
Oh, yay, okay. Patty.
Hi, Patty.
And what's New Jersey?
Oh, cool. Thanks for coming from New Jersey.
You're the Thank you. Okay. Our question is, when you finally get home, what do you ask your mom to make for dinner?
I don't really ask her to make anything. She usually just says it before I can say anything. You know what I mean? But, usually, usually it's like chicken and rice. I usually feel like, I want to go out and eat. What's the real? You know, but she's not the biggest fan of cooking, so it's nice to take her somewhere where she doesn't have to.
I have a quarter making machine.
And what's your phone?
Okay, what should I say?
I want pot pie when I get home. Pot pie!
I don't know.
Alright.
I have had it, and it's good. I just don't eat it very often.
What's the last time you went to a drive-thru?
I don't like drive-thru.
Really?
Ever since tour, I've been like,
Eating healthy.
that's something I have been strict about. No more fast food.
What's your fascination with lettuce? I know you love lettuce.
I feel like I'm like, it's not like I worship lettuce or anything.
But you can't tweet all the time.
Sorry, I know, I'm bad at
It's
it.
okay. It's okay.
But, what's the question? Okay, well, it's one of my friends. Like, one of my friends, well, I was with a bunch of my friends at, like, Arby's when I did go to fast food. I don't really know anything, to be honest. And we were all just talking, and, well, I guess, apparently I told the story wrong on Ellen, but I was on the Ellen show, my friend, she's like, you told it wrong! I told it from my perspective. She's like, oh, that's why, that's probably why. You missed the funny part because you were spacing out and not knowing what was going on. And I was like, oh, okay. Well, so apparently I was like singing to myself, like humming, and they are like, what the heck? Because I don't notice when I do it, but I was like humming while they were talking and stuff, and they thought I wasn't paying attention. They just thought I was singing to myself, but I was paying attention. And they said that all of a sudden I said I hated lettuce, and then all of a sudden I stopped singing, and I'm like, but I love lettuce.
Oh my God. And the lettuce gods are spoken.
Because I was just like in my own little world, like I always am. But it's fun. Yeah, and then fish started calling me lettuce boy. But you know, yeah.